The power of mass spectrometry, now in a miniaturized format. Introducing the Microsaic 4500 MiD, bringing mass spectrometry to the point of need. Made up of Microsaic's patented chip-based technology, the 4500 MiD is the perfect one-box solution for solving your mass detection needs, making large, energy and space-demanding mass specs a thing of the past. The system benefits from greatly increased flow rate range and reduced nitrogen requirements, saving you 1/10 of your nitrogen consumption and up to 1,000th of your solvent usage. With no external roughing pump or PC, it's an easy addition to your lab. Its simple-to-use software and completely toolless maintenance makes it accessible to any user, both in and out of the lab. Its compact size allows the 4500 MiD to fit both on the benchtop or in the fume hood, or even in the back of your car. And with the addition of the MiDas, Microsaic's fluidics module, the system can be used in a variety of applications, from reaction monitoring to conventional LC, nano LC, prep LC, TLC, and many more. The system has the versatility to fit with your application requirements. Space and cost are no longer deciding factors. With the compact and portable 4500 MiD, you can easily move the system from lab to lab, or even take it out of the lab altogether. And with the 30-minute pump down cycle, this transition is seamless. Microsaic's leading-edge technology allows agile sample detection and identification for your lab. The 4500 MiD, the only compact and accessible one-box solution for mass detection. Get in touch today for more information.